That wasn't me, it was from back there. We're the ones who smelled it first.
What?
Yeah.
Hello, boys and girls. Seeing as it's Valentine's Day's Eve, me and Captain Mudidi here have a special surprise for all of you. Isn't that right, Mudidi?
Captain, tonight is the night of the SS Seduction Ball. So I expect everyone on the ship to be at the ball by 8 p.m.
Gentlemen, look sharp, so suit up!
Women, dress up.
Did he say
Everyone was excited about balls, except
What if no one asks me to go to the dance with him? What if I end up with this nerd? Or what if he's ugly? Or something like that? Or, oh, I'm so jealous of all these people who are in love. I'm jealous of people who get flowers from the prefect. And I'm so jealous of Dominique and Raymond at
dragging you? There's some hardcore camera action.
Fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic stairs apart and far away. Fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down.
Valentine's Day Eve. You know what, Captain Morini? Yeah, I reckon we all had really good fun at the ball, but I think it's time to loosen up a little. What do you reckon?
Yeah, Captain, I reckon it's time for the Captain's ultra special super fun slumber party!
Yes,
so everyone get into your PJs
and get your pillows and sleeping bags and Esther's ready!
Morning! You see Moody's face?